Hello guys, this is Malyaj Likhar, and today I am going to talk about or provide a brief introduction about Windows NT kernel architecture, which is essentially a hybrid architecture, and we'll see shortly what a hybrid architecture is. But let us look at this beautiful diagram of architecture for Windows kernel. This one this indicates user space or user mode, and this K, this big guy, the big box, this indicates kernel space, or we can say kernel mode. As we know, any operating system has two modes to operate. One is user and one is kernel mode. Now these are the basic elements for user mode, and these are the basic OS functionalities which are running in kernel mode. Right now we'll see a short introduction or short explanation about what are hybrid architectures. As the name suggests, it is combination of monolithic as well as microkernel architecture. Now we'll see what is monolithic. In short, a monolithic kernel is nothing. It is a kernel where all the services, where all the basic OS functionalities like core functionalities, which are scheduling, memory allocation, process management, resource allocation, and related basic core services, and plus services like file system, VFS, which is nothing but virtual file system, and device drivers, device management, or IO management. These all basic OS functionalities. These functionalities reside in one single kernel mode. User mode in monolithic kernel has only applications running and nothing else. All these functionalities which we are seeing, these core functionalities and the services, all these functionalities are actually working in only in one kernel space. User space has no much of significance, but in microkernel architecture, kernel has given few relaxations, because all these functionality maintenance of all these functionalities and such huge level of programming is not that easy. So microkernel design microkernel design proposes minimal uses of core functionalities, in which kernel space has only all these core functionalities. Rather, user space has all these services. Why we are calling it services? Because in microkernel design, all these functionalities will be used as client server model, in which all this particular file system or any VFS or any device manager, they will make a particular message call, which is known as IPC call, to the kernel, and kernel will act as server, and it provides services to all these service functionalities, right? So in this first video, it is we have completed our brief introduction for monolithic and microkernel. In our next video, we'll see all these big boxes and we'll try to explain each and every layer. Thank you.